Can you solve this without a calculator? Which is bigger, 222 to the 333rd power or 333 to the 222nd? Most people think it's impossible, but watch this. The key strategy here is to manipulate the expressions until they share a common component we can compare. Let's start by looking at the exponents. Starting with our original problem, the goal is to make the exponents identical so we can compare them. Notice that both 333 and 222 are multiples of 111. This is the key structural insight we need. We can rewrite 333 as 3 times 111 and 222 as 2 times 111. This structure lets us use a fundamental power rule. A raised to the power of m times n equals a to the power of m, all raised to the power of n. Let's apply this rule to both sides to isolate the common exponent. The left side becomes 222 cubed, raised to the 111th power, and the right side becomes 333 squared, raised to the 111th power. Since both sides are now raised to the same power, comparing them is equivalent to just comparing their bases. The problem now simplifies to something much more manageable. 222 cubed versus 333 squared. We can apply the same strategy again, this time looking for common structure within the bases themselves. Just as before, these numbers share an obvious common factor. Both are multiples of 111. Specifically, 222 is 2 times 111, and 333 is 3 times 111. Let's substitute these factored forms into our expression. This lets us use another exponent rule. A product of a times b raised to the power of n equals a to the n times b to the n. Applying this rule, we can distribute the exponents to each factor inside the parentheses. The left side becomes 2 cubed times 111 cubed, and the right becomes 3 squared times 111 squared. Let's evaluate the sample powers, starting with 2 cubed. 2 cubed equals 8. Next, let's evaluate 3 squared, and 3 squared equals 9. To simplify further, we can break down 111 cubed to isolate the common factor. We can rewrite 111 cubed as 111 times 111 squared. Now we have a common factor on both sides. Since it's positive, we can cancel it without changing the inequality. Canceling the common factor leaves us with a very simple comparison. The final step is just this multiplication. 8 times 111 is 888, and the comparison is now obvious. The result is clear, but let's trace back through our steps to state the conclusion. We've shown that 888 is greater than 9. This means our simplified bases follow the same inequality. Raising both sides to a positive power preserves the inequality. And this brings us back to our original question, showing that 222 to the power of 333 is indeed the larger number. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this problem, please hit that like button and subscribe for more mental math challenges.